Hey sunshines, it's a crazy best friend from the internet. Today we're making a scientific... Hey sunshines, it's a crazy best friend from the internet. Today we're making a scientific experiment with slime. Hey sunshine, it's a crazy best friend from the internet. Today we're making a scientific experiment, which is learning how to make slime. So you and I are going to learn how to make slime today. Please make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell, and follow me on Instagram. Let's go! We are going to need our school glue for the first step. I've already put my school glue inside. Step number 2. We have some food coloring. So you're gonna add a drop of food coloring. Ooh, okay, a drop or 2 in the mix. Next, you're gonna need a 100 milliliter of water. Then you're gonna need your borax powder and a teaspoon. Then you're gonna put 1 teaspoon of borax powder. Okay. And you're gonna mix it until it dissolves. Why isn't it dissolving? I'm going to put the borax powder water, and then I'm going to put this inside and do 1 tablespoon, a teaspoon. Mix. Another teaspoon. Okay, that was a lot. Okay, so it's starting to change a lot. My last teaspoon. Let's add a bit more. This is the slime so far. Looks like slime, right? Very much nice to be. That was a very good thing to do to borax powder, because it's starting to look more like slime, and I think I can pick it up now. Okay, so it's like the stickiest slime I've ever used. We have to knead it. So let's get kneading. Okay. So this is my episode, my slime. I could play it all day long. It makes so small stuff. Alright, sunshine, we have come to the end of the video. This is how the slime looks. Please make sure to subscribe, like the video, turn on the notification bells, follow me on Instagram, tag me and send me a photo of your own slime. See you guys next time. Ciao!